Hello everyone, this is Shovik and welcome back to my channel. So in the last video we had set up our very first store in Shopify. Today we will see how we can add product in our Shopify store. Uh, so I'm doing this adding product and collections before customizing a theme because so if you have few products and at least one or two, three collections in your store, then it will be very easy to understand the theme customization part. Okay, so that is why I am creating this product adding video first. So if you go to this all product section, under this product section, you will see that it has two button, add product and find products, and also there is an import option. So if you click on this import, it will you can see that import products by CSV. So this is for bulk product uploading, which I will show you guys in the next videos. In this video, we will see that how you can add one single product in your store. So let me just click on add product button, and then this section will come. So here the first thing is title. So the title is basically your product name. So for me, this is a t-shirt website or t-shirt. I'm selling t-shirt here. So my product title is my first product title is hustle main t-shirt. Okay, this is my product title. So now next part is description. So you can add your product description here, but I will add just one line. This is hustle t-shirt. So now whatever description you are going to add in this section, you can edit the format of the text. Okay, so suppose I want to make it bold, just so it will be in bold format. I just want to change the color, then just change the color to yellow, or suppose I am changing the color to blue. Okay, sorry. Yeah, now it is changed to blue. Okay, you can I mean you can format it as per your choice or as per your requirement. Now next part is media. So let's you can add your media files or your product images from your local system. So just click on this add file button, so it will open your local system, and I have already downloaded two images for this product. So I will add the first one and click on open. So it will upload the product image. Okay, so it will upload the product image. Now if I want to add more images for this product, so I will again click on this add media, and then I will click on this second image and click on open. So you can add multiple images for for a single product, but I think there is a limit. I don't remember, but I think five images a maximum number of images you can add for a single product, but I'm not sure. You can uh, check yourself. Then come to the pricing part. So the pricing is, this is the price the customer will see. So this is suppose this product price is 110 rupees. Okay, now next thing is compared price. Okay, so what is this compared price? If you hover on this question mark to show a reduced price, move the product's original price into compared price, enter a lower value into price. So basically it is nothing but so it will show that product is actually cost 100, and suppose I'm giving 150 rupees here. So it will show to the customer that the t-shirt actually cost 150 rupees, but we are giving it in 110 rupees. Okay, we'll see it how it looks. Then cost per item is if you see that it is written that customer won't see this. So this is basically your manufacturing cost. Okay, so suppose I am saying that my manufacturing cost is 90 rupees for the single product. So now it will calculate your margin and profit. Your margin is 18.2% and profit is 20. So as per your product cost, you can put your product cost. Okay. Now charge tax on this product, it depends on country to countries. Like I'm doing this from India, so here GST will be charged. So I am checking this checkbox that charge tax on this product. Now inventory, SQ and barcode. Okay, SQ is stock keeping unit and barcode is like GTIN and etc. So I'm not providing this because I don't have an SQ and barcode thing. So if you have an SQ or barcode, you can provide. Otherwise, you can uh, leave it, leave this section. Then there is one option that's continue selling when out of stock. So if I check on this, so what will happen? So the add to cart button for this product will not be disabled even if I don't have this product in my stock. Okay, but if I uncheck this, then what will happen when the quantity or the inventory is finished for this product? Then the add to cart button for this product will be disabled and sold out label will come for this particular product. Now this is important quantity. So how many t-shirts or how many hustle t-shirts you have in your inventory? So this is, suppose I am giving, I have 10 t-shirts. Now shipping, this is a physical product. Yes. Now weight, you can calculate weight. So calculate weight uh, is important to uh, to 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 calculate your I mean delivery cost. Okay, so I'm not giving this right now because we are not going into this delivery or checkout thing right now. So as of now I am saying this is zero point 0.0, but we will see what is the use of it later. Okay, then custom information. So this is, suppose you have a customer outside your country, so you have to send the product to the customer. So during that time this custom information is needed. So I am doing this from India, so I'm selecting India and this HS code. So if you search on Google, you will get the HS code for your country, but it is different for different products. Like this is a t-shirt, right? So the HS code for t-shirts in India is 610910. Okay, sorry, 910. Yeah, t-shirts and other weights of cotton, knitted and couch. Okay, fine. Then there is a section that is option, whether this product has option like size and color. So yes, this product has an option. So size, so the first option is size. So the values are like large, medium and small. Okay, so you can get in three variants. I'm saying done. Okay, now I have you can now this variant section is there. So now you can put quantity for each variant. Like for by default large is I have 10 large t-shirt, but I have 0 medium t-shirt. So let me put like I have also 10 medium t-shirt and 10 small t-shirt also. And you can edit the SQ and barcode if you have SQ and barcode, otherwise it's fine. And you can also change the price. Suppose large is 110 and medium is suppose 105 and small is suppose 100. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. The small has 10 quantity. Okay. Now the next thing is search engine listing preview. So hustle main t-shirt HTTPS this slash product slash, this is the search engine optimization thing. So if you click on this edit website SEO, so you can see what page title will be there when this product is selected, what meta description you want to give, what is the URL handle. So you can change this URL handle from here. So I'm not going into these things right now because this is not actually needed for your when you are adding a product. But yes, if I mean when it is the store is online and you want to increase your sale, so SEO is very much needed. So this I will cover later actually, because in this video I'm just showing that how to add a product in your Shopify store. So this is obviously related to product, but obviously this is related to product, but this is something like for marketing purpose and SEO purpose. So I will cover this part later. Okay. Okay. All the informations are provided now. Okay. Now let's see what is there in the right hand side. Okay. Product status, draft and active. Okay. This is very important. So there are two options. One is active, one is draft. So as of now, I'm clicking draft. Let's see what happens when we select in draft. Okay. Online store schedule availability. I'm just saying that this will be available from 24th December, 4:30 p.m. IST. Okay, fine. Vendor. So I am the vendor. So if you have different vendor, you can provide here different vendor like ABC, add ABC, then a new vendor will be added. But I am just providing that, yeah, I am the vendor. Product type, so you can select the product type or add custom product type. I'm just keeping it blank. Collection, this is very important. So by default, when you create a store, there is one collection, that is the home page. You can create different collection. So we will see that in later or in next videos. But collection is very important, so you have to select one collection. uh, so currently there is one default collection present in the store, so I'm selecting that on homepage. Okay, fine. Tags, so you can give some tag name for this particular product, or like when tomorrow you will add another t-shirt, you can use the same tag name. So I'm giving it like hustle t-shirt. Okay, so this tag name is now associated with this product. Online store theme template. Okay, this is also important. So there is currently default theme because we have not created any template. Okay, so there is one template for product showing the product or the product description thing. So that is the default product template, but you can create your new template and you can uh, customize the view or look and feel of that page. So that we will see how you can customize your template page. But as of now, you just select default product. Okay, fine. And okay, everything is done, and the product status is currently draft. Okay, let's just save this. Done. So added hustle men t-shirt. Great. So now I'm crossing this. Okay, fine. This is my product. Everything is good. Now I'm back. Okay, see, now the product page is not empty, and here my first product is present. Also all the details like inventory, status, draft, and everything is present. You can see there is an online store. Okay, let's see how it looks in our online store. Okay, so if I want to see my online store, I just have to click in this eye icon beside this online store in right hand side bottom corner. Okay, just click on this eye icon and it will navigate to your online store. This is not obviously live, this is just for the development purpose. So here if you scroll down, all the dummy things are present, but I am not able to see my product. My first product is not present in my store. So even if I get to catalog and select best selling or featured anything, but I am not able to see my product here, right? So why I have already added one product in my store, but I'm not able to see the product. This is because the product status is in draft state. So that is why I said this is very important. So if it is draft, then Shopify will think that you have I mean, you will work on this product later and then you will make it live. So when you want to make it live to your store, you just have to change the status to online store. You can't change it from here. You have to select this product and then just go to product status and change the status to active and click on save. Now if we go back, so now the status is active. Okay, let me go once again to the online store, right? Fine. So okay, fine. Now you can see your first product is live in your store and the product image is present. The second image will be present in product description page, and as I said that the one the comparing price is 150, but we are giving it 100 rupees, and the sale icon is coming because there is a compare at price present for this product, and this is product name. Now if I click on this product, will navigate to my product description page from where I can add the product to the cart. See here, the second image is present. Now you can say why these images are so big and uh, not even the alignment is not correct and the size, everything is not correct. That is fine, that we will see how. That is the customization part that we will do later. But this is how you can add a product to your Shopify store. And as we have three variants, so that is why all the variants are present, and you can choose, your customer can choose any variant or any quantity, like I want medium size, three quantity, and add to cart. Okay, so this is very nice, right? Very easy and very nice. Okay, fine. So now you have your first product in your Shopify store. So this is how you can add a single product in the Shopify store. But what if you have 100 products in your store? So you will have to add one by one, right? No, you don't have to add one by one. There is an option called import. So we'll see in the next video that how we can import bulk products in our Shopify store. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video. Please hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.